Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add the Left School Life event to your Facebook profile. Whether you're marking the end of your school journey or simply updating your timeline, this tutorial has you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on the text box at the top of your feed, where it says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you typically start creating posts. Next, scroll down until you find the Life Events section. Tap on it to access a variety of categories for life events. From here, select the Education category. This is where you'll find options related to your academic journey. Now, look for the option labeled Left School University. Tap on it to begin customizing your life event. You'll be prompted to fill in some details about this milestone. Add information such as the name of the school or university you left, and any other relevant details. Once you've completed filling in the necessary fields, tap Next. At this point, you'll have an option to write a description if you'd like to provide more context about leaving school. This step is optional, but can add a personal touch to your post. Finally, when everything looks good and you're ready to share this update with your friends, tap Post. Your new life event will now appear on your timeline for others to see. And that's it. You've successfully added a Left School Life event to your Facebook profile. It's a simple way to mark a significant moment and share it with those who matter most. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.